voice now. Oh, my voice is back. Can you imagine that? Thank you very much. Thank you very much, doctor. Dites-lui, là, j'ai pas le prompteur là-bas. Well, what's happening now? We got in my pocket. That will be enough. Well, I was saying to you that when I started in the business, the newspapers in France used to say that I had an awful voice. They used to say that I had a rough voice and not very interesting to listen to that voice. But today I have that voice. So those who knew me since the start, there's no difference. For you, it will be another difference. Broken voice, sort of a rocky voice, you know when I say rocky, coming from the earth. So we started again. You know, on television, when something is wrong, they stop the show, and before to start again, the man who's conducting the whole thing says, well, you go there, you come back, the public applauds, and we do as if it was extraordinary since the start.